So I want to give you a quick little tip. So Facebook is always moving things around. So today I'm going to show you where you can access events inside the Facebook mobile app because it has moved. So let me go over and start sharing my screen so you can see that. Okay, so head over to a group that you want to see if there's any events in there, or you know there are events and you want to actually see when and where and all of the things. So this is my group, Holistic Female Entrepreneurs, so that's why I have the Manage tab here. So originally, events and guides and a few other things used to be under where it says invite and has the group name and all of that. So right here on now, it says Reels, Featured, Photos, Files, Questions, right there. That's where it used to be. Now, if you're on the Facebook mobile app, you're going to go up to the top left-hand corner right there. Some people call these hamburgers. And it will pop up this side menu, and that's where you can access rooms, guides, events, and albums. So you just click on events, and there is an event in this group. Let's go to right now. It's by me, and it's the Goddess Goal Setting Workshop. I have this about every 3 months, and basically what we do is we remove the anxiety and stress and doubts around your success for a particular goal that you have. And also we look at what aligned actions you need to be taken in order to achieve your goal. And then we implant the vision of your success, of you reaching that goal into your subconscious. So if you can't attend this one, I mean, it's only a couple hours away. So if you can't attend this one, I do have a replay that's available that you can access anytime, or just check in, and every about 3 to 4 months, I host this live, which it is interactive. So if you are live, then you are able to come and get my opinion on what you want to do, or you can brainstorm, or I can be a sounding board, whatever you need there. All right, so that is how you do that. And if you guys would like to see more of these videos, comment below. If you found this helpful, comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whatever it is, depending on what channel this is. All right, thanks. Bye.